English-Malay, may I, equals.
Bolehkah saya?
Welcome from Synapse Lingo. Hey you, welcome. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. For more resources, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. Today we'll master
Bolehkah saya?
Malay for may I, with jokes, beats, and bold politeness. Even a polite robot asks a toaster
Bolehkah saya?
before popping bread. Your goal today. By the end, you'll ask permission like a pro, clear, kind, and confident. Ready? Target phrase.
Bolehkah saya?
Equals, may I. Rhyme to remember. When you want to try, be polite and say
Bolehkah saya?
before you apply. Form and meaning. Quick breakdown so you sound smart and polite. Boleh equals can, may, ka equals question particle, saya equals I stitch them.
Bolehkah saya?
May I. Formal. Casual. Alternative. Bolehkah saya. Boleh saya. Dapatkah saya. Negative answer you might hear.
Tidak boleh.
Not allowed. Careful with false friends.
Boleh.
May, can, vs.
Belum.
Not yet. Mini dialogue. Real life. Act it out with me, you're at the library desk. You, excuse me, may I borrow this?
Bolehkah saya meminjam buku ini?
Librarian. Sure, no problem. Bake, silicon. You, asking to sit, may I? To sit here.
Bolehkah saya?
Opening parenthesis.
Duduk di sini.
Closing parenthesis. At the counter, may I? To pay by card.
Bolehkah saya?
Opening parenthesis.
Membayar dengan kad.
Closing parenthesis. At a door. Knock, then, may I? To come in.
Bolehkah saya?
Opening parenthesis.
Masuk.
Closing parenthesis. Repeat after me. Say it with rhythm, nice and clear. May I sit here?
Bolehkah saya duduk di sini?
May I pay by card?
Bolehkah saya membayar dengan kad?
May I come in?
Bolehkah saya masuk?
May I know?
Bolehkah saya tahu?
May we?
Bolehkah kami?
Core phrase, repeat twice.
Bolehkah saya? Bolehkah saya?
Quiz time. Quick check. Shout your answers. Q1. How do you ask, may I, politely in Malay? Options. A.
Bolehkah saya?
B.
Saya mahu.
C.
Tolong saya.
Answer. A.
Bolehkah saya?
Q2. True or false?
Bolehkah saya?
Is used to ask for permission. Answer. True. Q3. Complete it. Di perpustakaan saya bertanya, blank, meminjam, buku ini? Answer.
Bolehkah saya?
Culture tip. Stay classy in Malaysia, politeness wins. Formal settings, bank counter, offices, start with.
Bolehkah saya?
Casual with friends.
Boleh saya?
Sounds friendly and natural. Similar but different.
Dapatkah saya?
Can sound more able to than allowed to in some contexts. Think of
Bolehkah saya?
as a small silver key that opens social doors. Memory magic. Lock it in with senses and a smile. Loci. Your front door has a doormat stitched in gold.
Bolehkah saya?
Touch. Feel the cool doorknob, then whisper.
Bolehkah saya?
Smell and taste. Clean lobby scent, fresh mint, and then.
Bolehkah saya?
Gesture. Hand on chest, small wave, say.
Bolehkah saya?
Beat. Clap 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 rest, chant.
Bolehkah saya?
Riddle. I open doors without a key, what am I? Answer.
Bolehkah saya?
Your turn. Take the mic and try it out. Knock gently and say.
Bolehkah saya?
Opening parenthesis.
Masuk.
Closing parenthesis. At a cafe, ask politely to sit.
Bolehkah saya duduk di sini?
Single quote. At the counter.
Bolehkah saya membayar dengan K?
Single quote. Variant chain. Say it in one breath. Bolehkah saya? Boleh saya? Dapatkah saya? Thanks and next steps. You nailed it, great work. Thanks for listening and keep practicing.
Bolehkah saya?
In your daily life. This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more lessons, drills, and fun challenges. See you next time.